Okay. Z nami je Michael, mož, ki me je impresioniral danes, ki trenira samo z eno roko, pa mu bomo postavili par vprašanj. Hi Michael, how are you doing?
I'm great. It's fantastic in Cologne. So new people, many people, fantastic.
Many beautiful girls.
Yes, too. Yes, too.
I would like to ask you, how do you train? We see that you got only one arm. How you do it? It's amazing because people don't get out of bed because they're lazy, and you do it with one arm. This is amazing.
Thank you very much. I train in isometric. So I use dumbbell for the left and heavy, but I'm focused on the right side. So I try to be concentrate on the right side, and I use cable for chest, shoulders, and back.
That's amazing. How long do you train now?
I train since 22 years old, but after the car accident, I was 23. So I trained before and after.
And after. How many times a day you train, and what products do you take?
I train 2 hours per day and six for a week. So, but now on diet every day.
Every day?
Yeah, every day.
Good. What kind of product do you take?
I use BCI Explode. I love. This is my favorite product, and isolate and protein and glutamine, carbonox in post-training, and creatine Explode, HMB. Many.
That's great. That's great.
My favorite, is BCI Explode.
Mine too.
Yeah.
It's great. It's great.
It's fantastic.
So thank you very much for this interview, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Good.